Come sogno che è bello. Come in Sicily for the good life.
Hello everybody from Sicily. I'm Giovanna Battaglia from the Culture Department of Splendid Sicily and welcome to the Cannolo Report. Today is a beautiful sunny Sunday day. We're in mid-October and you could just go out and swim in the sea because it's a beautiful sunny day. It seems like we're in the summer. Now we want to thank our donors of the week. Maria Ravelli from Quebec, Mark Geraggi from Arizona, Nina Pisano Brown from Pennsylvania. Sicily has been an island that has always been desired by people of all ages. Its position in the center of the Mediterranean made it a strategic point of great importance, and that is why the small island has had so many rulers. Let's retrace them in a fun way, putting a symbol that identifies them next to each of them. 1000 BC Phoenicians is for Palermo. 8th century BC Greeks is for the temples and Archimedes. 3rd century before Christ Romans is for the wheat and mosaics. 6th century AD Byzantine is for Jesus Christ. 9th centuries AD Arabs is for oranges, wealth and Muhammad. 1060 Normans is for cathedrals and Arab Norman art. 1194 Svevi it's for Federico II and castles. 1270 Angevins is for a war of the Vespers. 1282 Aragonese is for nobles to no end. 1734 Bourbons is for sulfur mines. 1860 Italy is for Garibaldi and Pirandello. We took a nice 3,000-year walk. This is our island, and this is us, a blood of 1,000 colors. For any information, do not hesitate to contact our cultural department. We are available to all the world for anyone who desires Sicily. This is our mission. Now we take a walk in 3 small villages, ideal for buying a house at a very low price and living in Sicily. Here we are in Palazzo Adriano, Western Sicily, 2,000 inhabitants. It is the town where Nuovo Cinema Paradiso was filmed. It is surrounded by mountains and there is peace and serenity. You can find a house of 100 square meters for about 50,000 euros. This is Fontaghelli Fantina, northern Sicily, 1,000 inhabitants. A river flows between its low houses. You can find a house of 100 square meters for about 30,000 euros. And this is Cala Scibetta, 4,000 inhabitants, right in the center of Sicily. It is an ancient city. And in its surroundings, there are ruins of prehistoric Sicily. You can find a house of 100 square meters for about 50,000 euros. In all these places, you will find true Sicily, peace and hospitality. Splendid Sicily is your one-stop shop for buying, selling, renovating, or renting a property in Sicily. If you would like to build a house, we have properties for sale and all the resources you will need to build your Sicilian dream home.
Hello everyone, I would like to welcome another prestigious member on our cultural department, Eliana Calandra. She is the director of the Historical Archives of the Municipality of Palermo, the director of the Sicilian Ethnographic Museum Giuseppe Pitrè, paleographer, ethnoanthropologist, passionate about books and reading, author of many specialist publications. So welcome to Eliana, all together to spread our culture and our beauties.
So let's do some Sicilian together. Take a pen and paper and write down some useful sentences if you come to Sicily. You're at sea and it's 30 degrees. It's hot, which in Sicilian is said, c'è caldo. C'è caldo. Again, repeat after me. C'è caldo. You are in a restaurant and you're thirsty. A bottle of water, please, which in Sicilian is said, una bottiglia d'acqua per favore. Una bottiglia d'acqua per favore. Again, repeat after me. Una bottiglia d'acqua per favore. You have to pay the cashier. How much does it cost? That in Sicilian is said, quanto paio? Quanto paio? Again, repeat after me. Quanto paio? If you don't know how much the largest rock on Mars weighs, the answer is, I don't know. That in Sicilian, it is non saccio. Non saccio. Again, repeat after me. Non saccio. On October 21st, 1783, Domenico Antonio Lofaso Pietrasanta, Duke of Serra di Falco, was born in Palermo. Scholar, architect, student of archaeology and architecture, mostly in Sicily. He wrote several works on ancient and medieval Sicilian monuments.
I mutti siciliani sono tanti pezzi di Vangeli.
Sicilian proverbs are like pieces of the gospel.
Tanti pezzi di Vangelo. A casa capi quanto vuole padrone.
A casa cape quando vuole padrone, which means that when you want to host someone, it doesn't matter if your house is small. Whoever wants to do it will find a way, as if to say that where there is a will, there is a way.
Anche metaforica, quindi mentale, psicologica, diverse situazioni o diverse persone, secondo la propria disposizione d'animo.
This photograph dates back to 1928. In front of poor houses, a family is intent on loading furniture and bags into a truck to escape the lava flow of the erupting Etna in the village of Mascali. You can see some typical humble houses in lava stone, embellished by these openings with white frames, just to contrast the black of the basalt. At the bottom, 2 huge palm trees, another symbol of Sicily. And there is also a gentleman, elegantly dressed, walking along the dusty street. Next week in Sicily, weather forecast mostly sunny throughout the island, with some rare precipitation. Daytime temperatures above 25 degrees, and therefore still guaranteed bathing in the sea. The sun rises around 7:10 a.m. and sets around 6:20 p.m. And now let's see what this land and the sea offers us, blessed by the sun and abundance. The fruit vendor has zucchini, prickly pears, figs, those are lotuses, and there are grapes, peaches of all kinds, broccoli and cauliflower, and lots of other fragrant fruit and vegetables. The fish shop has excellent swordfish, octopuses of all sizes, mussels, squid, the typical pink shrimp, and lots of blue fish, the fish of the Mediterranean. It's time for chestnuts, and here are roasted chestnuts, or chestnuts cooked on the grill. Good. And let's come to the feast in Sicily, an island where you never miss an opportunity to leave the houses and celebrate something or someone, and to eat, and to observe, and enjoy true insight into the Sicilian culture and customs. In Nicolosi, Eastern Sicily, get away to Etna from October 24th to November 11th, an appointment with sense of flavors of Etna, Etna da gustare, wine, ricotta, cheeses, and many other delicacies to taste. And now it's time to say goodbye. The Cannolo Report will be back in 15 days. Until then, please go on our page and donate something, or just call the number on the display. Please help us to go on and do what we love most, to talk about Sicily and all the beautiful places, monuments, towns, villages, people, the hospitality, everything you love about Sicily. You will find it on Splendid Sicily. So please go on our page and make a little donations. It will be a great help. Thank you very much. Un bacio for everybody. Un bacio a tutti.